Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to extend employees' probation period from HR admin side. In the company, direct managers confirm their subordinates' probation period by filling up a form and give some comments on their confirmation. Managers have rights to confirm or extend their probation period. If, for some reasons, manager does not extend team members' probation period or according to the company policy only HR has rights to extend, then HR can extend it by using this option. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on Move to Extended Confirmation menu. In the list view that you click on checkbox against the employee name whose confirmation period you want to extend. You can see here probable confirmation date of the employee. Now enter new confirmation date and DDMME format. And save.